Hey, it's your girl Savannah Curls. I just wanted to make a simple video about the candles that's going to be included inside of my Valentine's Day boxes. You're going to start off with putting a creative element into your candles. You can start with glitter. You can put pigment to it. You can even put essential oil inside of it. I chose to include the pink sugar scent that I have in some of my products. You're gonna give it a good stir. Don't worry about the candle. It can always be a pre-bought candle. You don't have to melt down like a fresh candle or whatever, but it is good to start off with something simple. Now at this point, you can go ahead and mix up everything. Whether you do it now or whether you do it while the candle has melted is completely up to you. It looks like I just mixed it before I let it melt. Then you're gonna go and try to create a double boiler if you don't already have it. You're gonna put some water inside of a pot, and you're gonna put an oven safe empty bowl inside without any water on the inside of the bowl. Allow the candle to sit in there and melt down, and remove the wick and stir. After giving it a stir, you're just going to set it aside and allow it to cool down undisturbed. Replace the wick. And it's finished. If you like what you see, leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a great day.